Hello, hello, hello. Hi everyone. Annyeonghaseyo. Annyeonghaseyo. Annyeong. Hi. I hope I use it in the right place. Today's video, we're going to make something that I normally buy outside. But, how about we try it at home? Yes, we're going to make japchae. Am I pronounced it correct? Well, anyway, let's make japchae. So, stay tuned. Let's prepare the meat. Here I'm using beef, but feel free to use any kind of meat you have, or you can skip this part if you're a vegetarian. Cut the beef into long strips, marinate, and set aside. Get a carrot. For all the vegetables that we're going to use later on, make sure to rinse them and cut them into long thin strips. Now for the spinach. Bring a pot of water to a boil. Cook the spinach around 10 seconds. Drain the water. And cool it down in cold water. Then, gently squeeze all the water out of the spinach. Heat a skillet over low heat. Cook half of the minced garlic and spinach for around 1 minute. Add in the carrot, cook until soft. It will take around 3 to 4 minutes. Add in the shallot and saute for 4 to 5 minutes. Next, add in the mushrooms, add a pinch of salt, and cook until they turn soft. Let's check the water. I think it's ready. Then, let's cook the noodles and go back to the skillet. Next, cook the beaten egg. Then add the marinated beef to the skillet. Saute until the beef is cooked. It will take around 4 to 5 minutes. I think the noodles are good to go. Again, cut the egg into long thin strips. Now it's time to prepare the sauce for the noodles. Pour the first half of the sauce into the noodles and mix well. Now add in all the sauteed vegetables as well as the remaining sauce. Be gentle and give everything a good mix. And last, add the sesame seeds and mix well. Ta-da! Imasanan japchae is ready! AKA this delicious japchae is ready!